The RB25 must have knocked 1,000 times, and so now it is out of the car for the last time. All the work that's been done to the crossmember from the half cut can now be transferred over into the actual car. So it's time for the VH41 to come off the engine stand and be joined to the Stagea all-wheel drive gearbox via our mad adapter plate. Special hex head bolts will hold the adapter to the engine, so the original gearbox bolts can be used. The twin plate clutch organised by our mate George can now be installed in between, along with a new slave cylinder that will push on the clutch fork to release the clutch.
So it comes, obviously, the cover, the top plate, centre plate, which also has the retaining springs on it, which we'll go into more about that later with George. The base plate, loads of pressure onto the bottom one, and then that's the base disc that will go on the flywheel. Also comes with all these spacer blocks, which basically assembles the whole clutch together, and it bolts up like that. Let's fit it up.
That's our pressure plate side. He's on top. And we've got flywheel side here. That's written on the plate.
Yeah.
Very important that they go with the right order as well, because they are different components.
Yeah, right.
And they do things differently. So,
yeah, really?
Yeah. It's all very specific.
Cool.
So, that's that. Then he can go in there. Now we can stick our alignment tool through him. That'll keep them together.
Did it work?
It worked. We're looking good. Very good.